Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Bini Info. Thank you for supporting me and hope you all doing good. Let's move on to our video. In this video, we will discuss about the most beautiful islands in the world. Here we go. The fifth one about the Palawan Islands. It is the largest island of the province of Palawan in the Philippines and the fifth largest island of the country. It is located in the Southeast Asia. The main island of Palawan was rated the most beautiful island in the world. This island is also currently rated the most beautiful beach in the world. Incredibly beautiful natural seascapes and landscapes. It is one of the most biodiverse island in the Philippines. This island is quite undeveloped at this point, but still offers some great vacation spot to enjoy. The way of life and the beautiful wildlife, jungle, mountain region and wide sandy beaches that make for a perfect place to spend a vacation. This island is called the last ecological frontier in the Philippines because of its commitment to protecting the amazing wildlife and natural beauty of the island. Fourth one about the Madagascar island. It is the fourth largest island in the world. It is located in the southwestern Indian Ocean and is separated from the African coast by the 250 miles wide. It has been inhabited by human beings for the relatively short period of about 1300 years. The vast island treasures thousands of species and animals and birds, most of which are endemic. The best time to visit this island is from July to September months of tourism. Even though these islands can be visited all throughout the year, avoid the months from December to May when cyclone cycle prevails. The average temperature in July is 15 degrees Celsius and the average temperature in September is 24 degrees Celsius. Getting around in Madagascar is pretty expensive. This island will make your vacation an unforgettable experience. Third one about the St. Mary's Islands in Karnataka. This is also known as Coconut Island. These islands are formed by subaerial subvolcanic activity because at the time of Madagascar took place around 88 million ago. The island covers an area which is about 500 meters in length. It has prominent coconut trees. The columnar basaltic lava found in these islands, which is very well developed in the basalts of Deccan Traps. In 1948, Vasco da Gama landed at St. Mary's Island on his journey from the Kingdom of Portugal. He fixed a cross on the islands and named one of these islands as Saint Maria in Portuguese. Second one, it is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea, named called Sicily Island. In Italy, the island Sicily is mostly hilly and is intensively cultivated. Sicily was inhabited 10,000 years ago. It is seen as an island of warm winters. Snow falls about 900 to 1000 meters, but it can fall in the hills. Sicily's sunny, dry climate, scenery, cuisine, history, and architecture attract many tourists. Season peaks in the summer month. Although people visit the island all year around, Mount Etna, the beaches, the archaeological sites, major sites are the favorite tourist destinations. The first one is about Bhavani Islands, that is situated in the midst of the Krishna River at Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. That is located at the upstream of Prakasham Barrage and is considered as one of the largest river islands in area with an area of 133 acres, which is 268 kilometers from Hyderabad, belongs to India. The place is well connected with road and rail transport and is easily accessible to the tourists. Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation is in charge of the Bhavani Islands. It is one of the most famous travel attractions in Vijayawada. One can enjoy the nature along with boat ride in Bhavani Island. The resort consists of 24 cottages, and Bhavani Island is the beautiful place in Vijayawada. Okay viewers, if you are watching my channel for the first time, then please subscribe my channel Bini Info and click the bell icon to receive the notifications. Thank you for watching.